Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Passwords app immediately. Use Spotlight or go to System Settings and choose Passwords, then authenticate with your Mac password or Touch ID so the vault unlocks. Once done, confirm iCloud Keychain is enabled if you want syncing. This keeps entries consistent across your devices. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, otherwise, entries won't sync. Now that you're authenticated, you can view saved logins and begin adding or editing items safely and quickly. You'll add a new login by clicking the plus button and entering the site, username, password, and optional notes. This captures everything you need for autofill. When creating a password, use the generator to produce a long, random string. Adjust length and character types for stronger security. Once saved, edit items to update passwords or attach tags so you can find related accounts quickly. Make sure to save changes if you plan to migrate. Export or use iCloud to keep data consistent across your other Apple devices. You'll finish by enabling password autofill in Safari and app settings so the system fills sign-in fields automatically. Test autofill on a website to confirm the stored credentials populate correctly, and then log in once to prompt the app to update the saved password if necessary. Make sure iCloud Keychain sync completed. This keeps entries identical on your iPhone and iPad. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Check you're signed into the same Apple ID, verify iCloud Keychain is on, and restart your Mac to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.